For your assignment this week, you're going to make a melody using a pentatonic scale. So a pentatonic scale, remember, is 5 notes. It has do, re, mi, so, and la. And for today, do is always going to be on this line. Re is always going to be this space. Mi is this line. So is this line. La is this space. Notice there's nothing in this space. We're not using that space for today. So if I go to this melody, we had our let's make a melody. Here we go. Your melody is actually going to go here. You should have added flats, the add-on. If you haven't, go back and do it. I'm going to show you how to again here in just a second. You'll click Get Add-ons. But I've already had it installed, so I'm going to click on Add-ons, Flat for Docs, so that I can make a musical snippet, if it would let me. There we go. Click Insert Musical Snippet. I will use single staff. I will not use these other ones today. So I'm just going to use single staff. And then this is how it starts. I can make any melody I want. These are our note values. I suggest using quarters, eighths, sixteenths. Don't go to 32nds or 64ths. Maybe a half note, but I would stick to those. So I always try to start a melody with do. So our do, I'm going to use a quarter note, is that line right there. Now, flats can sometimes be a little bit weird to work with at first, so don't be afraid to experiment. I might use re, but I might go back and use re as an eighth note like this and change it. See how I changed that? I might use re, and then I would use mi. Maybe I will use, I'm not going to use that space because remember, we're not using it. I might use so, la, and then end on a quarter note and use so. And I'm going to use 2 measures. So this is 2 measures, one right here, one right here. So I'm going to fill in both measures. After that, I don't want more than that. Let's see what I could do. I could use 16th notes. Let's do so, mi. And this is just me making it up right now. There's no wrong answer for this. Just try not to use that space right here. And let me do re. That's not re though. Mr. Sharp messed up. Re. And you can sometimes put 2 notes at one time. You don't want that. What you'll do if you have 2 notes on accident, you'll click on one note and press the delete button and drag the note you want where you want it. So I didn't want that there. So I'm going to drag it down to there and put another one. And I'm going to end with a half note just to fill up. Like that. Notice it makes a third measure automatically for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Measure. And over here, you can remove one or add one. We want to remove it, so we're going to remove the measure so there's just 2. After you've made your melody, you can even play it. Just make sure the blue is right there. Let's see what this sounds like. That's my melody. However, I need to know what's do, re, mi. Mr. Sharp wants to know if you know that. So to add that in, we're going to go to text right here. And this part is where you can add lyrics. Do you see where I'm hovering? That's where you add lyrics. You'll click on it, and these boxes are going to show up. So I know this first note is do. If I click the space bar, it goes to the next note. That is re. Next note is mi. Next note is so, la, so, mi, re, do. And then I'm done. And I can listen to it again just to make sure I remember. It's not going to sing the words though. Let's see what this sounds like. And there's my melody. It's 2 measures. I have the solfege written in, and I have the melody made out with just pentatonic. And then once I'm done, I click Insert, and it's up there somewhere. And if you want to, you can click this and delete that part. That way you just see your melody. So yours would be like this. Let's sing a melody. Oh, I messed it up. Let's sing a melody. Here we go. Do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, do. I sang that wrong too. But that would be how you add in your melody. And I know that you know where do, re, and mi are. So that's your assignment for this week. Good luck.